impact the state Thursday through the holiday weekend. A significant storm system is expected to move through the area Thursday through the weekend with heavy rain, accumulating snow, high winds, sub-zero temperatures, and dangerously low wind chill all possible across Indiana during that time frame. While confidence remains low on exact details of timing and track of the system in areas where heavy snow could fall, confidence remains high in the dangerously cold air threat and high wind potential. Early look at confidence for potential winter storm. Areas of higher confidence, period of high winds with a wind shift to the northwest Thursday into Friday. Extremely cold Arctic air this weekend with temperatures falling below zero. Dangerous wind chills possibly down to -20 to -30 this weekend. Periods of snow showers on the backside of the system Friday into Saturday. Areas of lower confidence. Exact storm track and where areas of heavy snowfall could set up. Snowfall amounts remain very uncertain at the moment. Higher confidence in accumulating snow further north and west. Temperatures Thursday into Friday could vary significantly across short distances through the state depending on track of the system. People need to stay alert to the forecast and the possible changing weather conditions through the week. Be prepared for potential travel impacts. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KJY 93 in Muncie. And now a look at the